Correct.
Good morning, everyone. We'll start the morning call. Yesterday, US markets ended marginally higher. FOMC meeting, which was held last month, those minutes were released yesterday. Which showed that Fed may not cut interest interest rates anytime soon. They would rather wait and see how inflation would flare amidst various tariffs and duties imposed by the president. Also, yesterday, Trump proposed tariffs of about 25% on autos, semiconductors, and pharmaceutical imports. So these duties could be implemented as soon as from April first week itself, but he has not specified whether they'll be targeted at imports from certain countries or they would be broad based. As a result, today Asia Pacific markets are down in the morning trade, and we can see similar kind of impact in Indian markets as well. Now I request technical team to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Kavita. Good morning, all of you. As the last 4 to 5 trading session, we saw that Nifty struggled to sustain above the 23,000 range. We Today we expect flattish to negative open, but we closely watch in this weekly expiry if Nifty managed to sustain 23,070 range in above closing basis, then we expect further rally towards 23,270, 23,400 in upside. Downside immediate support place around 22,840 and 22,800 is a major support for index. If Nifty break this range and closing below this support zone, then we expect further sell off towards 22,700, 22,400. Today we closely watch weekly expiry. If Nifty end the close 23,000 above, then we expect upside rally. Yesterday, we saw that Bank Nifty given a good rally in intraday session and managed to sustain the closing above the 49,500. If Bank Nifty continue this range, then we expect the further up move towards 50,000 and 50,200 in upside. Downside first immediate support place around Bank Nifty is 49,200 and below that 49 is a major support for Bank Nifty. The 2G we closely watch if both index manage to sustain closing important resistance soon, then we expect further up move into both index. Stock specific BSC looks positive. Hindalco given a good rally last 2 trading session, and we expect this rally to be continue and upside, and we expect this momentum towards 640, 650 in Hindalco. Given a good breakout and downward trend line, we expect Hindalco looks positive at current level. Negative side, Bata India looks weak. Last 2 weeks we saw some pressure in Bata, and this pressure to be continued towards downside. Dabur also showing a negative crossover, and we expect this pressure to be continued. And IT sector and Infosys, TCS both showing a pressure in last 2 trading session. So we expect this pressure to be continued. That's it for technical derivative.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. Same kind of situation we are witnessing from the derivative front. As we look at the overall data structure, continuously we are seeing that in yesterday's session also healthy liquidation has been witnessed on the upside level. So due to which the Colorado portion got added up strongly between 23,000 to 23,100 strike. The clearance of this range is very much important of 22,800 to 23,200 mark. Till the time this range is not getting clear, till that point of time we will witness the momentum to be in this kind of in 400 point range only. For any trend clearance we need this range to be cleared. If you look at the pcr also closed in the point 80 levels, which we are seeing that from continuously past 1 week it is closing between 0.80 to 0.87 range. So currently there is not much of strength or not much of active data points in the market. If you look at the overall OI structure, it is the same kind of situation we are witnessing from last 1 to 2 weeks of a trading session. When this range gets broken out, then on the downside below 22,800 level, directly the support will be come near 22,500 to 22,200 level, and on the upside directly about 23,200 level, the next resistance will be at 23,500 level. So we will closely watch this range for the next week. Till the next week of monthly expiry, we expect this range to be constant. After the monthly expiry, we will witness some kind of trend clearance in the market. As per stock specific and sector specific front, counter that looks positive will be Kotak Bank, BSC, Lotus Lab look positive. On the negative front, Dabur, Tata Elxsi, and Dr. Reddy looks negative. That's it from the negative front. Thank you.
Good morning. One news regarding Vari Energies Limited. Company received an order to supply solar modules for 362.5 megawatt from an Engine India arm. So this is a positive news for company. Thank you.
Apart from that, HFCL has signed an agreement with BSNL under the BharatNet Phase 3 program for executing a project worth around 2,500 crore in the Punjab Telecom Circle. So HFCL will now take immediate steps to commence this project implementation. That's positive for HFCL. That's it from us. I request Harshal to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Kavita. Good morning, everyone. So, in today's session, we might witness a pullback in gold till 86 300, 86 400, which is a resistance area. From there, one can initiate a sell with a stop loss, with a strict stop loss of 86 600, and on downside again 85 900, 85 700 is the level where one can book profits. Also, for trading purpose, one can initiate a buy around 85 600 with a stop loss of 85 300 for a pullback. Similarly, silver also might test 97,000 and again witness selling pressure. So sell with a strict stop loss of 97 700, and downside again 96,000, 500 is the level where one can book profits. Also, for trading purpose, one can buy around 95 500, maintaining a stop loss of 94 700. In metals, there could be a pullback in copper till 872. So the resistance area is around at 871, 72. For trading purpose, one can sell with a strict stop loss of 876, and expecting a downside till 865, 62. Again, 62 is the area. Prices are supportive at 860. So strictly buy with a stop loss of 858 for a pullback. In zinc, we are expecting a consolidation from 270 to 266, a broad range. So buying around 266 and selling around 271 is recommended. And crude oil, one can buy around 60 to 60 with a stop loss of 61.80. On upside, expected to test 63.50, 6400. Natural gas prices are continuously rallying. Past 2 days, we have witnessed a major surge in prices. So it may further rise till 380, 385. So buying on dips around 363 is recommended with a stop loss of 355. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.